We're cooking steak? Seriously, guys? I'm Dakota with Best Choice Products, and today we're taking a look at our 6-piece cookware set. I'm a vegetarian, so we're gonna cook a steak today. So right over here, we've got our Dutch oven, signature patented technology. Not really, I'm kidding. Standard grill pan over here. Oh wait, there's a skillet. Okay, there's a skillet. So a standard skillet over here. It's got these little like bumps on the inside of the lid. That's supposed to like make sure all the moisture is good and make it better and tasty, right? Yeah, it is supposed to do quite a bit with as far as like keeping moisture in, I guess. Our grill pan right here, we'll probably be using this guy for the steak. Each one of the lids on here has this really cool golden knob. All right, so I'm gonna grab the steak. We've got that bad boy right here. I think that's it, right? That's a steak. And here we go. We ready? That look cool. Our first step is to pat the steak down. Good boy. We want to pat it down and season aggressively. So we want to pat it down. I think this is to like dry it out, right? Or do you want it dry? All right, I'm gonna do it on both sides. Okay, sure. We've got salt and pepper around here somewhere. It says 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna just eyeball that. Hold on guys, give me a minute. Am I cool now? Oh man, that's not cool. I'm gonna put some pepper on there. Okay, that's probably too much. The other side. In a cast iron skillet, heat vegetable oil over medium. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna use butter. We're gonna see how this goes. So I'm gonna put it on there. We need to get this butter in there. Oh yeah, there we go. That looks like butter. Sure, why not? And I'm gonna just put it in there, see what happens, right? Hopefully I don't mess it up. It's cooking. I'm gonna throw some more stuff on there. Like there's this thyme right here, or whatever this is, rosemary. A little bit of this thyme. Some of this garlic in there too, right? Is that good? Okay. I've seen real chef people do this before where you try to like, It's probably been more than 2 minutes. Yeah, let's definitely get some more butter. I'm gonna get one of these on because I wanna be safe. This is what the chefs do. It looks pretty good. Should I put some more stuff on there once oh, that actually looks pretty good. Got a temperature. Man, somebody get this thing to a doctor. All right, I'm gonna put some more butter in here and we're gonna get going on those potatoes. And going. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm gonna just basically put the same stuff on here, but spread it around a little more, maybe. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt because that's what my grandma would have done. I feel like I can maybe pull the steak off. Should I do it? Get this thing off of here. That actually looks pretty cool. There we go. That actually looks pretty good. Did I do good, Mom? And I'm gonna throw the asparagus on this thing, right? Put one more chunk of butter in there for that. All right, we'll grab them. I'm gonna try to evenly place them, but I don't think that's gonna really work so well. All right, yeah, this looks good. Should we check on our potatoes, see how those are doing? It's looking pretty cool. I don't know if that looks good, but it looks cool. Ooh, shaky, 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 shaky. All right, so this is like pretty much good to go. I'm kind of sort of stoked on myself right now. I'm a great chef. All right, so we're gonna start trying to plate a little bit. I think, like that looks pretty cool right there. I'm gonna put that there. We actually made some rice off camera, but also really good opportunity to kind of show off the condensation bumps. They're really working well and work well for cooking all sorts of stuff. All right, I'm gonna call our potatoes, Ooh. These are looking pretty darn good. Smelling real garlicky, like real garlicky. Oh no, oh no. Should you give me a job at a restaurant? You guys wanna come try this? Because I'm not gonna eat this, so let me know what you think.
Good. Whoa.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, you grab it.
If I could do this without any experience of like cooking meat, I'm sure you could do a lot better. Come take a look, only at Best Choice Products.